Planning a trip to Monaco and wondering how to make the most of it? Then you are at the right place. Here's a glimpse of what awaits you in this paradisiacal Mediterranean enclave. Monaco, the name itself oozes luxury and opulence. Nestled on the French Riviera, it is a world of its own, with a charm that is hard to resist. Imagine awakening to the serene sounds of luxury yachts docking at Port Hercule, the heart of this principality. The sunlight filters through your window, casting gentle rays on your face, luring you out of your plush bed to welcome the day. As you step out, the crisp, fresh air greets you, infused with the salty tang of the Mediterranean Sea. Take a leisurely saunter around the marina, a perfect way to start your morning. The marina, with a dazzling array of yachts moored, sets the tone for the day. It's like a showcase of affluence, each yacht telling a story of grandeur and opulence, each one more majestic than the last. As you walk, feel the gentle sea breeze, tingling your senses, filling you with a sense of peace and exhilaration. Take the time to marvel at the yachts, each one a testament to engineering marvel and aesthetic brilliance. It's like an outdoor gallery of luxury vessels, each one with its distinct personality. Notice the sleek designs, the gleaming decks, the intricate details. They are more than just yachts. They are floating palaces, symbols of wealth and power. So are you to embark on this extraordinary journey, to experience the unique blend of history, luxury, and natural beauty that Monaco offers? Well, buckle up, because you're about to embark on an extraordinary journey in this glamorous Mediterranean principality. Imagine waking up to the soft hum of luxury yachts in Port Hercule. A morning walk around the marina sets the theme. Imagine the view of the vessels on the calm blue water as you think to yourself, what do these people do for a living? After a refreshing walk, it's time for breakfast. Now, where to go? In the bustling city of Monaco, full of charm and character, the challenge is not finding where to eat, but deciding which tantalizing option to choose. But among the myriad of mouth-watering bistros and cafes, there's one place that truly stands out, the Café de Paris. This isn't just any ordinary cafe. Stepping into the Café de Paris is like stepping back in time to the Belle Époque era, an age of elegance and sophistication. The cafe's exterior, adorned with intricate wrought ironwork and beautiful mosaics, hints at the grandeur within. As you push through the heavy wooden doors, your senses are immediately engulfed in the enticing aroma of freshly brewed coffee and baked pastries. The cafe's interior is a spectacle of its own. Gleaming chandeliers hang from the high ceilings, casting a warm, welcoming glow. The tables, arranged immaculately, are clad in crisp white linens. And the pastry counter, well, it's simply heaven for any self-proclaimed foodie. It's lined end to end with an array of mouth-watering French pastries, from flaky croissants and buttery pain au chocolat to brightly colored macarons. And then there's the coffee, the perfect companion to any pastry. The baristas are masters of their craft, expertly brewing each cup with precision and care. So imagine yourself there, seated at a corner table, sipping a hot cup of coffee perfectly paired with a warm, buttery croissant. Revel in the blend of the rich coffee and the delicate pastry melting in your mouth. Outside, the city of Monaco slowly comes to life, and you watch the world go by. Next on the itinerary is the iconic Prince's Palace. This architectural marvel, nestled in the heart of Monaco, has stood as a testament to the region's rich and enduring history. Since the 13th century, this stately manor has been the cherished domicile of the illustrious Grimaldi family. Each generation, in respect of tradition and heritage, has left a distinct touch, a unique mark on the palace's intricate design, further enhancing its grandeur. The Prince's Palace, amid scenic locale, is not just a magnificent display of architecture, but is also a brilliant representation of Monaco's illustrious history. Each stone, each column, each tapestry tells a tale of power, a tale of royalty. The palace's opulence, its majestic aura, and its captivating beauty all symbolize Monaco's rich royal lineage, making it a must-visit. As you traverse the palace's grand halls, you will witness the amalgamation of various architectural styles, each reflecting a different era, a different reign, a different story. This royal residence over the centuries has embodied the essence of Monaco, reflecting its growth, its evolution, its royalty, and its people. Remember to check out the daily changing of the guard ceremony. It's a spectacle not to be missed. For lunch, you might want to try Maya Bay, Monaco's Japanese and Thai-starred restaurant. This exquisite dining spot, tucked away in a charming corner of the city near Le Méridien Beach, is a true epitome of Thai food done right. The restaurant prides itself on its sustainable approach to fine dining. It beautifully bridges the gap between mixed roles and high-end cuisine, offering guests a unique gastronomic experience that is unparalleled in the world of Thai dining. Every bite at Maya Bay is a testament to purity and richness of the Japanese experience. It's a place where the menu satisfies your culinary taste, reflecting the freshest produce available from local producers. Each ingredient is carefully selected, ensuring that every dish on the menu is not just delicious, but also healthy and environment-friendly. The restaurant goes to great lengths to provide an authentic Japanese experience, from the locally sourced ingredients to the vibrant atmosphere of the restaurant itself. Maya Bay's menu is a real feast for the senses. It's a dazzling array of flavors, textures, and aromas. Their dishes are not just meals, they're a culinary journey that takes you the heart of the experience. Each dish is carefully crafted with love, passion, and a deep respect for nature. It's a place where food becomes an art form, and dining is an experience to be savored. Think fresh, think flavorful, think sustainable. In the afternoon, step into the world of high stakes and glamour at the Monte Carlo Casino. This Belle Epoque masterpiece is not just for gamblers. Located in the heart of Monte Carlo, this architectural marvel reflects the affluence and splendor associated with Monaco's heritage. Constructed in the late 19th century, the casino is a testimony to the era of Belle Epoque, an age of optimism, regional peace, economic prosperity, colonial expansion, and technological, scientific, and cultural innovations. As you walk into the grand foyer, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer opulence. Intricately designed frescoes on the ceiling, the grand crystal chandeliers that adorn the place, the lush red and gold upholstery, and the beautiful marble columns offer a visual spectacle that is hard to forget. The casino houses multiple lavish rooms, each with its flair and theme. From the elegance of the European rooms to the grandeur of the American, the casino boasts a mix of different styles. The casino is also a treasure trove of exquisite sculptures that take you back in time. Created by some of the finest sculptors of the era, these sculptures bring alive the wealthy and powerful patrons who frequented the casino during its heyday. The sculptures, each telling a unique story, are worth the visit alone. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or a casual visitor, there's something for everyone. However, while the casino opens its doors to everyone, it's worth noting that Monaco's casinos maintain a strict dress code. They value their rich tradition and expect their patrons to respect it too. Dressing elegantly is not just a recommendation, but a requirement. The casino's exquisite ambiance deserves nothing less. So, don your finest attire and step into a world that combines the allure of gambling with the extravaganza of art and history. But remember, Monaco's casinos maintain a strict dress code, so dress to impress. As the sun starts to set, initiate your journey towards the exotic garden. This isn't just any garden, it's a unique sanctuary, a haven for those who seek tranquility, a place that is more than just a location, but an experience. Nestled in this enchanting realm, you'll find a collection of rare and intriguing plants. These aren't your everyday, run-of-the-mill flora. These are specimens from the furthest reaches of our planet. It's a living library of botanical wonders, a testament to the rich biodiversity our world has to offer. From the chilly mountain peaks of the Himalayas to the dense, humid rainforests of the Amazon, every corner of the globe is represented here. Towering cacti from arid deserts, delicate orchids from tropical climates, verdant ferns from prehistoric times, each contributing to a tapestry of verdant green that seems to span the spectrum of existence itself. And then there's the view, a breathtaking panorama that stretches out as far as the eye can see. Unfolding before your eyes is the principality in all its glory, a mesmerizing vista of architectural marvel and natural beauty intertwined. This is more than a sight, it's an experience, a moment that can't be captured in a photograph but only in your heart. As the sky overhead slowly transforms, turning from the vibrant blue of the day to shades of pink and orange, a world of hues that can't help but captivate your senses, the beauty of the moment is unquestionable. The day's end paints the sky with the brilliance of a master artist, a spectacle that is nothing short of poetic. There's no better place to be. Dinner in Monaco should be an event. The city, known for its opulence and extravagance, offers an abundance of culinary delights that are sure to enthrall any food enthusiast. However, among these gastronomic gems, there's one place that stands out. It goes by the name Le Louis XV, Alain Ducasse. This isn't just any restaurant, It is a 3 Michelin-starred establishment, a testament to its exceptional quality and service. The moment you step foot into Le Louis XV, you will be ushered into a world of sumptuous interiors reminiscent of a royal palace. Lavish chandeliers dangle from the ceiling, casting a warm glow on the intricately patterned flooring. Gilded mirrors adorn the walls, reflecting the splendor all around. The menu is a celebration of gastronomic innovation. The dishes, each a masterpiece in itself, are the brainchild of Alain Ducasse, a legendary figure in the world of haute cuisine. Every bite is an explosion of flavors, a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that goes into the preparation. The dining experience at Le Louis XV is not just about the food, it's about the ambiance, the service, and the overall atmosphere that make you feel like a part of the elite. It's an experience that encapsulates the spirit of Monaco. Finally, end the day at Larvado Beach, the only public beach in Monaco. Nestled between the towering skyscrapers and the azure Mediterranean Sea, this beach is a real gem. Its soft, sandy shores are an inviting setting to lay down your towel, relax, and reflect on the day you've had. Larvado Beach is undoubtedly a haven for beach lovers. From sunbathing under the warm, radiant Monaco sun to taking a refreshing dip in the turquoise blue waters, there's something for everyone. The beach offers an array of water sports activities, making it an ideal location for thrill seekers. But at the same time, it's also perfect for those who prefer a more peaceful and tranquil beach experience. As the sun begins to set, the beach transforms into a magical canvas of colors. The sky, painted in hues of orange and purple, provides a picturesque backdrop for the city's vibrant nightlife. The beachfront promenade, lined with chic cafes and gourmet restaurants, comes alive. Here, you can savor delectable Mediterranean cuisine as you listen to the rhythmic symphony of the waves crashing against the shore. Take a moment to marvel at the yachts docked in the nearby marina. The sight of these luxurious vessels, illuminated by the twinkling city lights, is truly unforgettable. Indulge in some late-night shopping in the upscale boutiques that line the streets of Monaco. Engage in a peaceful stroll along the moonlit beach, soaking in the unique blend of tranquility and vibrancy that Monaco offers. Every stride you take leaves a footprint in the sand, a tangible reminder of the unforgettable experiences you've had on this trip. It's the perfect spot to unwind and reminisce about the day's adventures. To recap, Monaco is a dream destination that offers the best in dining, architecture, and sightseeing. This jewel of the French Riviera, surrounded by sapphire blue seas and azure skies, is a haven for those seeking the very best of life. The first stop on your adventure should be the Café de Paris, a well-established in Monaco renowned for its delicious pastries. Here one can indulge the senses with a variety of delectable treats. Next, take a trip time and visit the historic Prince's Palace. Stepping inside, you'll feel the presence of centuries-old grandeur, the home of the Grimaldi family and a symbol of their enduring reign. The interior, with its grand halls and beautifully maintained rooms, is a sight to behold. From there, make your way to the Monte Carlo Casino, a marvel of architecture and style. Amidst the dazzling lights and the echo of clinking chips, you can soak in the vibrant ambiance that radiates throughout. Having soaked in some culture, it's time to savor the Japanese Thai cuisine at Maya Bay, a beautiful restaurant known for its fresh ingredients and imaginative dishes. As the sun sets over the horizon, make your way to the exotic garden, a verdant paradise, offering views of Monaco's breathtaking scenery. Finally, round off the day with a gourmet meal at Le Louis XV, Alain Ducasse. Offering a gastronomic journey like no other, here is a feast for the senses that should not be missed. Of course, before you retire for the night, don't forget to unwind at Larvado Beach, a serene escape within the bustling city. Monaco, with its blend of luxury and tradition, is waiting for you to discover its charms. If you enjoyed our journey through Monaco, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. From the grandeur of the Prince's Palace to the vibrant Monte Carlo Casino, the Japanese Thai cuisine at Maya Bay to the serene Larvado Beach, we've walked you through the best that this jewel of the French Riviera has to offer. But remember, this is just a glimpse of what Monaco has in store. There's much more to explore, much more to experience. Each corner of this city-state holds a new surprise, a new story. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready to embark on your own Monegasque adventure. Whether it's the luxury, the history, or the stunning views that draw you in, Monaco is sure to leave an unforgettable impression. So until our next journey, we bid you au revoir from the sunny shores of Monaco. Stay tuned for our next destination. Safe travels.